Tired of manually approving every payment? Cash App's Auto Accept feature can handle it for you. This guide will demonstrate how to activate the Auto Accept payments setting within your Cash App, streamlining your incoming funds. To begin, open your Cash App and navigate to your profile by tapping the icon in the top right. Once in your profile, scroll down to locate and select the Privacy and Security option. In the Privacy and Security section, you will find the toggle switch labeled Auto Accept Payments. Tap this toggle to enable the feature. The switch will turn green, confirming that Auto Accept is now active. A confirmation prompt may appear, informing you that all future payments will now be automatically accepted. Proceed by confirming this setting. With Auto Accept enabled, payments sent to you will be processed immediately without requiring manual intervention. This feature is highly beneficial for businesses that receive frequent payments or for anyone looking to simplify their financial workflow. Congratulations! You have successfully automated your payment acceptance, saving valuable time and ensuring no payment goes unreceived. For more useful Cash App tutorials and tips, remember to subscribe to our channel.